So this is what we need. Your work is in your prep. You need this serial number for the Johnson 1999 two-stroke. This is the original if you want to order the original. And this is what we were dealing with here. So next is our gap. For the Johnson 1999, it's a 0.03 gap. You see the mark, so I'm basically got this from the old one, and I'm just gonna adjust the new one to that. Next is our 3/8 socket wrench. When you're in the store, make sure your wrench fits your spark plugs before you leave. That's a big thing, so you save yourself a trip back. So here, we've taken this one out. We're gonna take this one out. There's 4 total. We're gonna do this side. Make sure your battery's disconnected. If your battery's connected, just disconnect your negative side of your battery, the black side. So you're gonna pull off this coupler. Make sure you don't pull from here. You can tear the hose. Pull from here. We're gonna get our wrench. And we're just gonna ease it off. Just loosen it and do it by hand if you can. There it is. These are obviously pretty worn and ready for new. So we got our new ones. We're gonna set our gap. So I got my stuff from O'Reilly's. They have the thing here for the gaps. The gap opener, it's $1. You align with your 0.3. You just walk it along, and then we're gonna pull it off. Grab our wrench. So a big thing is hand tightening to start. Obviously with spark plugs, it's not a heavy duty bolt. You got to be a little gentle with it. Get it snug with your hand, and then just lock it in until it's tight. Nothing more. Take this off. Make sure you grab the right one. There's 2 here. This is for the bottom one. Grab your top one. Never deal with these. Never pull these by these. Always grab them by the shoulder. Make sure it's on tight. And that's it. Connect your battery again. All your work's done in the prep. You can screenshot this box if you have my exact motor. 1999 Johnson, 90 horsepower 2-stroke. This is your serial number for the original. And this is the box for the OEM manufactured NGK upgraded plugs. And that's it. What's up, everyone? I'm going to show you how to change the spark plugs on a 1999 2-stroke Johnson outboard. So I pulled the first one out. To keep this super simple, find your numbers. This is a Champion. They're at O'Reilly's, AutoZone, Advanced Auto. This is the exact kind here. NGK, it's a generic. These are even an upgrade for these. So whatever boat you have, just align the serial numbers and Google it.